Okay, so with a great comparison here between the Amiga version, Operation Wolf. It's released for the original chipset and was 1988. Okay, it's a conversion from the arcade. So let's go in there. Let's play with the mouse. It's really good because we can actually play the arcade one with the mouse a bit later on. You press the button.
Operation Wolf.
Get straight into the game. After this, push the button. Off we go. Cut off. All right. Not easy. In. Time it to blow them up in the middle of it. Get that chop up the knives, knives getting in. Already out of rockets. There's a grenade. Got me. See, it's a bit of chaos. It's a pretty good game. What? I'm dead. So yeah, it's a very, very action-packed game. And if you don't continue, you get this very, very sad screen.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry, but you are finished here.
You are finished here. Okay. So finished here. Let's go in here, if we can. And we'll load main 106. And we'll go down to Operation Wolf. Okay. Well, I got all these settings here. Let's do frame skip. I think it actually works with sound. So let's try everything basic first. Double buffering. That's how it goes. I think it worked quite well.
Operation Wolf.
Now this is running multitasking in Workbench, not Windows, but let's put some credits in. 5. You can use the mouse, which is great.
Operation initiated.
So really the arcade version has more speech there. And for some reason the communication station is on this side of the map, maybe because there's more stages. Okay. Then you start comparing the graphics. Oh, my screen's gone black down. Sorry, it's HDMI errors. Great. So a lot more sound. Yeah, a lot more sound. Well, here you go, instant real-time arcade conversion. Totally acceptable. room. There's probably also difficulty levels that are set in the dip switches, so this looks pretty easy. Got it on where the Amiga version is a lot harder. As we saw before, it wasn't so easy.
You succeeded in demolishing the communication setup, cutting off the enemy from rescue.
Alright, jungle. No, intelligence. Jungle, yeah, jungle. Good luck. We don't have any rockets left, so it's not going to last very long here. Oh, these flying dudes. There's porky pigs. Give me a clip, give me a clip. Ah, I missed that clip. And this used to be pretty intense in the arcade with the light gun. Paying lots of dollars. Lots of dollars. This is surely on easy mode. Physical energy, I've got a Powerade. Go! Oh no, that was bad. Those buttons aren't going to survive. Look at the oh, the cannon. Oh, he got me. Get that chicken. Oh, what? Top of the screen? Really? Oh well.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry, but you are finished here.